Thought I'd give everybody a little update on the move. It's been a few days, and if you haven't heard already, at the end of the video, there's going to be a special news come out. I'll take and walk you around here and let you have a tour, see what we got done. And give you a little bit look of the living room here. Most of everything is gone out of here now. Now this weekend we got to take apart her great-grandfather's wardrobe there. That thing's going to get some special wrapping because it's old. And the office is about, or my office is about ready to get packed. Most of her bookcases and stuff are gone, except for that one little one right there. The upstairs is about 95% done. The only thing left up there is the bed and some clothes that she's going to need for work, and some miscellaneous stuff that we're using for packing. One of this morning's chores was cleaning out, wrapping up, and prepping the wood stove. It's going to come with us. It's been a good little wood stove here, might as well keep it. And we've got the cargo room, and there's a photo bomb by Barnaby. Got about 95% of everything moved out of the storage shed. The pile on the left over there, Petra still has to go through. It's mostly horse tack. The pile by the wall on the right all goes to her brother because it's stuff that we don't really need to take with us. Well, the front veranda here is about 8.5 feet long and about 20 feet wide, and it is approaching half full. Tarp come down yesterday during the middle of the quail-sized hail that we had, so I'm going to have to get up there and nail that back up. But we're getting there. And one of the next big things I'm going to have to do is take a pressure washer to this thing. Horse trailer. We've been using it to haul stuff back and forth and take stuff to the dump and everything else. But it's got to be cleaned up and pressure washed so we can put it up for sale, because it's got gunk all over it. There's almost nothing here in Bavaria that sits for very long that doesn't get moss growing on it. And I do mean everywhere. Anything that sits for very long gets moss on it. That's just the way it is here. Even the fence has got moss growing on it. That special announcement I promised. Some people have heard, some haven't. We did a live show, kind of impromptu, the other night and announced it. But we'll make it a second announcement here. Petra's I-130 application, which is the application for immigration, has been approved. Finally. We sent the application in the 5th of March and didn't hear about it until 2 days ago. So on to the next step for that, and there'll be a lot more videos based on just that. It's amazing how hard it is for an American citizen, me, to get a foreigner into the United States. You got to jump through tons of hoops. But we're doing it because we both believe that morally and ethically it's the right thing to do. So, if you liked the videos, subscribe, click the little notification bell. Down in the descriptions, we opened up t-shirt shop. Go take a look. It's right at this time. Most of it's photography, but we're getting there one step at a time. Thank you for watching. Come back and see us.